We are back and we are hungry.
इधर का 3 coffee 1 tea. Family that eats together.
Works out together and the gym as well.
That together.
It's the best dahi vada I've ever had. I'm my own dahi vada.
This is Stella Marie's church in Kalmadi. The uniqueness about this church is that it's a boat-shaped church. Beautiful, isn't it? What's up, guys? Where are we going? Arbi Falls.
To the falls.
Arbi Rajam.
And
Mikey, are you excited?
Yeah. No, I want to get to the beach.
Beach or falls? I'll take a underwater video. You can take a fall in the beach.
it's like half an hour drive from here, and we all set. We had nice yummy breakfast. All set to go.
So we are going to Arbi Falls.
Arbi Falls.
This is a short climb. I hope it's short. And you can already hear the water flowing. The dogs are the most excited ones. We can see the water, we can see the jungle.
Okay guys, today I'm climbing up this tree.
Louder.
I'm climbing up this tree.
Look up. Be careful, don't step on that.
That's Mummy foraging in these jungles, finding some medicinal plants. Come on! Yes, you can do it! Very good! Hello! पानी उड़ाओ ना सब लोग पानी उड़ाओ अपने ऊपर ही अपने ऊपर Mummy, how was the waterfall?
Yes, superb.
We'll see when today our backpack will tell us.
This is Manipal Institute of Technology, and we came to fish factory for lunch. Sabu, how was the food?
The food was amazing. They made fresh biryani on my request. It was so hot, but it was so yum. And also I was happy to see everybody's faces while eating fish thali.
A big banyan tree.
1 hour later.
तुम लोग क्या कर रहे थे पानी में? बहुत गंदा नहीं है क्या? हाँ दिख रहा है क्लियर कितना.
That is so gonna be epic.
Why it will be epic?
Because it's so good.
Look at that. Princess wants to come in the water. She wants to join us. Oh my god. Princess, don't come. No, don't come.